దసరా దీపావళి పండుగల కోసం క్వైష్ సంస్థ అక్టోబర్ 5-6 తేదీలో ప్రత్యేక ప్రదర్శన నిర్వహిస్తోంది. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా 60 మందికి పైగా డిజైనర్లు ఈ లైఫ్ స్టైల్ ప్రదర్శనలో పాల్గొంటున్నారు. సాంప్రదాయ, నవీన, పాశ్చాత్య డిజైనర్ వస్త్రాలతో పాటు ఫ్యాషన్ యాక్సెసరీస్ ను క్వైష్ ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేస్తోంది.
క్వైష్ స్పెషల్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ సందర్భంగా హైదరాబాద్ డిజైనర్స్ జుబిన్ వకీల్, నీలం యాష్లే ఫెస్టివ్ కలెక్షన్స్ ను మోడల్స్ ప్రదర్శించారు. 4 స్వచ్ఛంద సంస్థలు క్వైష్ ను నిర్వహిస్తున్నాయి.
Kwaish exhibition is going to happen at Taj Krishna on 5th Saturday and 6th Sunday. It's a weekend special, Diwali Dashera special, and Navratri starts on 5th. It's a very good day, so we have a very beautiful collection for the festival. Very first time. We have 80 designers from all over India, and some designers are coming to Hyderabad for the very first time. We have Mr. Zubin and Mr. Neelam Asli. They have come up with a very good collection. They have made this collection specially for Kwaish. And seeing the Kwaish crowd and it's the festive season, they are bringing a collection according to it.
నీలం యాష్లే కలర్ఫుల్ ఫెస్టివల్ కలెక్షన్ ను అందిస్తున్నాడు. నీలం డిజైన్స్ లో మోడల్స్ వారేవా అనిపించారు.
Of course, this is a jacket. This is a jacket which is made with hand embroidery, and this jacket can be worn with a gagra like what she's wearing right now with a skirt. It can be also worn as a jacket on a fitted jeans or leggings, and it can be worn without leggings also, like a short mini high length dress. So there's a lot of versatility involved in my clothing, and that's about it. And there's a strong color which I love to work with color.
Okay, even the earrings.
Well, this earrings will match the outfit because I don't want it to use strong stones and all that because that's become so much. So I wanted to make it very subtle. So that is how these earrings go very well with the garments. And out here you can see the sari which is worn with a jacket blouse, and it has a beautiful combination of pink, blue and orange and gold, which is my all-time favorite color combination. And it has a silk border with a zari border. So here you are blending two crafts, traditional and modern, to bring about a sari which is very modern. So I hope you all love this.
ఇక జుబిన్ మెహతా శారీ కలెక్షన్ క్వాయిస్ లో ప్రత్యేక ఆకర్షణ కానుంది. తన లేటెస్ట్ కలెక్షన్స్ తో మోడల్స్ సందడి చేశారు.
Both these dresses are products of my fantasies that I dream and live just like this. Right, girls?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. But this dress is inspired by the beautiful feline wild cat, the tiger, which is soon going to be extinct, but we hope not. So in our effort to save the tiger and to celebrate the beauty of tiger in its natural form, the forest, each stripe is pleated in pure georgette in black and white, and it shows that the tiger is walking through the wild. And this is like the river. That's why you see the transparency here. And this is the greenery, the beautiful leaves, which turn a little brown in autumn. And as you see, we have created a dress out of that to celebrate the beauty of womanhood. And this, of course, has dragonflies. There is a saying, wherever there are dragonflies, the environment is very healthy. Okay, so this is what it depicts. Beautifully hand-painted by an indigenous technique that we have. And you will see this technique all through my collection in saris and westerns. This is a hand-painted technique, a very rare and unique technique that we indigenously do in-house. So that extends from our westerns to our saris.
Any other shows in the pipeline?
In the pipeline, yes, hopefully, God willing, I'm planning to have a show that will leave you speechless. So let's hope and let's wish. We do not know when it is, but right now, it is Kwaish, and Kwaish is the show right now. And let me also thank Namita, Savita, Vanita, Archana and Ritu for being the backbone of Kwaish and being there for us.